Hello parents, my name is Ashley Marshall and I'm the club head referee here at the Newmarket Soccer Club. We're so excited that you've joined us for another summer of playing. We hope your children, along with my children who also play in the club, have a great summer learning and playing the beautiful game. Part of my role at the Newmarket Soccer Club as club head referee is the training and retention of referees, in particular young referees. In surveys recently done by the Ontario Soccer Association with referees all across the province, it probably won't surprise you that one of the top reasons why referees walk away from the profession is because of abuse and dissent from players, from coaches, and from parents around the field. Well, that simply can't happen here in Newmarket Soccer Club. Now, if you and I were at the coffee shop and we saw a young person who was getting trained on the job, who was perhaps a little tentative and maybe got our order wrong, we would naturally be very, very patient. Well, the same is true of referees. Their training is done over a weekend-long course, and then suddenly they're thrown into the game. Unlike our children who practice for hours and then get to play in a game, referees just simply do their training on the job when they're playing. And house leagues, like ours here in Newmarket, is where that job training takes place. So it's really important that we provide, as the adults, a safe and supportive environment for our referees. And not all of our referees who are new are young. Some of them are adults just like you and I. Now, we all hope that the game goes perfectly, but that's not always the case. And just as our children may make mistakes, I'm certain that our young referees will also have their moments of challenge in the game. But at the end of the day, what's really important is that our children run around, have fun, and learn the game. And it doesn't really matter whether or not that goal kick should have been a corner kick or whether the throw-in should have gone this way or that way. And so, let's remind each other that we need to provide a great, safe, learning environment for both the teams on the field and also for the third team, which is the team of officials at the field. This summer, you might see myself or some of the other staff or directors or even referee mentors at the field. Our role is to help provide a great environment and perhaps let people there know some of the expectations. We might have to remind parents to move to their sides of the field of play or not be behind the goals, but we'll also be there helping to support, teach, and mentor the referees. And so we hope that you'll allow us to do that job without interference from the parents or from the coaches. Now, my children not only play in the soccer club, but one of my kids also referees. So we're all going to do our part to make sure that it's a great and safe summer. I look forward to meeting you at the field. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at headreferee@newmarketsoccer.com.
Presented by the Newmarket Soccer Club.
I'm Ashley Marshall from RefTutor. I hope that you enjoyed the video and had an opportunity to like it and add your comments below. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out my blog at www.reftutor.org.